Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin. This is the August 2023 paper pumpkin kit, Meaningful Flowers. Let's just get this off of here. This kit has an extra stamp set in it. If you guys remember when I was showing you the advertisement, it comes with an extra stamp set. So here's looks like lotus flowers and a stem or something. And here's the stamp set for the kit. It says, "You are capable of amazing things. You rise above the rest. Your friendship is unforgettable." And some flowers and looks like a lily pad. Can you guys see that? And then our stamping spot is Pretty Peacock. So you guys know I have to get my regular stamp pad for that. So just give me a minute. Let's get our Pretty Peacock regular size ink pad. Okay. So before we open up this box, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. First, we have our With Love and Gratitude paper pumpkin kit for September that makes 8 tree packages, 8 note cards, and comes with a Lost Lagoon stamping spot and has an add-on available. It's an 8x10 journal that costs $15, okay? You do not have to get this add-on to complete the project in the paper pumpkin kit. It's just something extra if you would like that coordinates with this paper pumpkin kit. And the item number is 163270. If you're wanting to order that, you have to be a paper pumpkin subscriber in order to order it, okay? Next up, we have our bonus days, ready, set, redeem. If you ordered in July and earned any of the bonus days coupons, check your email for your coupon codes and go ahead and redeem them before August 31st. If you don't think you're going to place an order but you have coupon codes, you can gift them to someone if you like. Lastly, not lastly, but next up we have our August 2023 host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless, of course, if your order is $150 or more. Don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up! And we don't want you to miss out on that. Next, we have our mystery boxes. Yes, I still have mystery boxes, moving sale. Everything must go. I have filled these boxes to the max with about $200 worth of new and used retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm only asking $40 each for the box. Half of that is shipping because the shipping is included in that price. I can only sell in the US. And here's my email if you are interested in getting any of these boxes. stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, I want to tell you about the online kits. The kits that are found in the online store are on sale for the month of August. And if you're interested in any of our kits, now would be a good time to purchase them because, again, they are on sale. And I do believe it's up to 30% off, okay? So that is all of our buzzworthy business. Let's get into this paper pumpkin kit. So, you know it's going to have something to do with lily pads or lotus flowers, right? Because of the stamp set. Here's a look at what we're gonna make. So it's 2 different cards. Okay, that's a change because we've been doing like 3 different cards lately, like 3 or 4 each of 3 different designs, something like that, something or other. Let's get all this packaging out of the way. We have some lovely little embellishments here. They're clear like bubble type things. Oh, I guess for like water droplets. I'm just guessing because of the lotus flowers and lily pads. Can you see that? It's just clear, super clear. Let's make sure we don't lose that. Here's some Stampin' Dimensionals. We have tear and tape and some linen thread. Okay, so let's see. We have some bases here, I guess, or layers. And here's a card base. Oh, wait. Okay, it's a top folding card. And it says Lotus Flower, Strength, Resilience, Wisdom. So, all right, that is a lotus flower. Long revered in cultures around the world, the lotus flower is beautiful, strong, and pure. As the sun rises, the lotus flower emerges from dark, murky water with a miraculously clean flower. At day's end, it closes and descends back into the water, ready to repeat the process the next day. Wow, I did not know that. So that is cute. So let's see the envelopes. These are the envelopes. Oh, they have different flowers on them. So we have the lotus flower and this one here with, I don't know what those are, but they're pretty too. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Okay. That is nice. Does it go? It goes all the way through, you guys. Let's see the inside of this one. Oh, gosh. These are cute. Okay, okay. Stay focused here, Shauna. Oh, look at this card base. So, forget-me-not flower. That's what that stamp is. Oh, love, devotion, memories. Small and delicate forget-me-nots remind us to never forget the people we love. When you give someone these sky blue flowers with yellow centers, it represents a promise that you will always remember them. It also represents your hope that they will always remember you. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Oh my, I like this. I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay. So we have a punch out here. So, of course, I'm assuming that goes right here with this, because those are the same flowers. We have a banner, so we'll probably just need one of those. Oh, look at that. So I'm gonna guess that goes over here. Oh, wait, is that? That's vellum. They printed on vellum. Okay, that's pretty. And here's one of these lotus flowers. It's a punch out. This is so cute. Okay. Oh, there's no label for this one. Okay. They don't even show the labels. Here's another look at what we're going to be making. So this kit, the coordinating colors are Bubble Bath, Crushed Curry, Garden Green, Melon Mambo, Misty Moonlight, Orchid Oasis, Pretty Peacock, and Tahitian Tide. And here's a couple of alternate ideas there. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Ooh, what is this? Take your crafting to the next level, Stampin' Up tools. Oh, this is new. Okay. They have the heat gun, some masks, the embossing essentials, some embossing powders, and some stamping blends. Okay. That's new. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, let's see. We're going to need Your Friendship is Unforgettable and You Are Capable of Amazing Things. So let's get those stamps. You're capable of amazing things and your friendship is unforgettable. So let's get some blocks. Put these things on. I just got 2D blocks. I didn't need that big of a size, but that's the size you get in your kit. Okay, so let's see what we're going to be doing for this first card. And the first card. Okay, this is the first card. Let's move this to the side. Let's start here. This is the one we need this for. And we're going to be stamping Your Friendship is Unforgettable. So let's stamp that. Let's rub our photopolymer stamp to get some of that factory residue off so we can get a pretty good stamp. Let's go ahead and bring in our little cardboard that comes in our kit. Do a practice stamp. Oh, that did beautiful. Let's hope we can get this really good on our strip here. Just like that. Close this up. And we'll come back to it again later. We're going to need some twine. We need 8 inches of twine. so let's get that. We're going to do 8. Whoop. About 8 is right here. Roundabouts. And what are we doing? Tying a bow. Let's do our little bunny ears and tie a bow. Tie a bow, tie a bow, tie a bow. Okay, so we have our bow. Then it says to take the forget-me-nots and put some Stampin' Dimensionals on the back. So we need 3 dimensionals. 1 here. 1 about there. Oh, we need 4. 1 here. Then 1 here. Nope, a little lower. Here. Okay, does this get dimensionals? Yes, it does. It gets 2 dimensionals and some tearing tape. Okay. Oh, this is like an 1/8 inch tearing tape. We usually have a 1/4 inch. I think this is like an 1/8 of an inch. That's different. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna put this, the bow on the back of here. So we need our little loops to be big enough to be seen from behind our label. So let's see. We're gonna put this, come on up here, like that. Okay, something like that. Let's see. This is the inside of the card, so we're gonna put this down. Ooh, ooh. Right down here in the middle, like that. And take this and put it right here. Okay, and then that's the card. Yes, it is. So only thing else we need to do is add our embellishments, and we'll do that after we finish the next card. So let's go ahead and get the stuff for the next card ready. So let's see here. We're gonna, oh, we're stamping on this. That's why we don't have a label. Okay. So let's prime our stamp. Get that residue off of there. And we're gonna stamp on here. Let me do my little practice stamping. Okay, that's stamping pretty good. So we're gonna stamp this right there. Ooh, it looks nice. Okay, so now what are we doing? Anything gets dimensionals? I wanna do dimensionals. Oh, okay. This gets dimensionals. This whole panel is getting popped up with dimensionals. All right. Then this is getting tearing tape on 3 sides. So we're going to do tearing tape at the bottom and on the sides here. Ooh. I don't know if I should have stayed really close to the edge because I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's see. Then we're going to adhere this to the bottom of the layer. Ooh. So it's like a little pocket. Like a little pocket. So we're going to put that right on here like so. And then take these backings off. Where's our card base? Okay, make sure we have it going the right way. We're going to line this up. Line this up on our card base. Try to get it straight. And then you stick this inside. Oh my gosh. Okay. We got to put our bling on. Let me see the picture, because I don't know where the bling goes. Let's see where they put it. Let me get my take your pick tool to help me. So we're going to put, I'm going to put some bling on these little lily pad thingies. Put some here. Let's put one on this middle of that flower there. Why not? Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And that thing comes out. Oh, this is cute. And this on the back, I love that. Okay, so let's put some on here. I don't know where they have them, if they even have any on this one. I don't see any. Huh. But I think I want to put some. I want to put some. Let's just put 3. Let's see. I'll put 2 here and 1 big one. Put it right there. Okay, that is it. Isn't that cute? That is that kit. That is super cute. I love these cards. Should have used my bone folder on this. These are super cute. Okay, you guys, that is the August 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit, Meaningful Flowers. I hope you guys love it. I do. These are super cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.